Okay guys, how you guys doing today? I'm Alexander, for those of you that don't know. Today I'm going to be taking you along on my vending machine journey, and that's going to be 3 of my locations spread out over 2 days. One of those locations can be my best location, so stick around and check out that pickup. It's pretty nice. I love that location. And then as well as that, we're also hitting up one of my locations that I just put the Squirt label into. So you guys will be able to see that as well. Stick around, like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys. Hey guys, I just pulled up to my thrift location. We're about to go on in. Hey guys, so I just finished up with my thrift location. It went very well. I switched those Diet Cokes out for Squirt. The Squirt was looking real nice. The Coke killed it again. Made a ton of money off the Coke. I always have to refill that all the way, so this time I stacked it up to the very top, and I'm excited to come back in the next 2 weeks and see how Squirt does. I'm hoping Squirt can sell a little bit more, because right now it's like very focused on Coke, and if I can just like diversify it a little bit more and maybe make some more money. I mean, it's always good that Coke is selling, but if I can make more money off it, I'm gonna shoot my shot, you know. Here's the money bag. They're selling, I don't know if you can really see how well, but there is a lot of coins in there, if you guys can see. But I have like something like $24 and dollar bills, which was nice. But yeah, it was a good one. All right, so what we have for a total is $24 and $1 bills, and then we have $31.55 in coins, for a total of $55.55. All right, this is the collection today that we just made from the golf course, my best location. This is the collection we made today at my best location. And what we have is $93 in dollar bills, $7.05 in coins, for a total of $100.05. Then my second location right here, we got some fives, which was awesome. We have $48 in single dollar bills, $15 in $5 bills, and $1.05 in change, for a total of $64.05. So with both of these locations, comes to a grand total of $164.10. All right. Thank you guys for coming out and checking my video out. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like down below. If you want to see more videos like this one, just subscribe to my channel.